This AT&T cordless home phone set is perfect if you're still using a landline. Not only does it have smart call block built in, but the setup and use of these phones is super easy, as well as the range and clarity of these handsets is just awesome. In this video, I want to go through the setup process of these phones as well as go through some of the features. So I unfortunately live in an area where I have terrible cell phone reception. And as long as I can remember, I've always had to rely on a landline to make phone calls when I'm at my house. And AT&T I've been using for many years now. This is actually my new updated system. The old one I've had it now for over 5 years. With this system, I have the 3 handset system that out of the box, it has the 3 phones with the battery packs you need to charge the phones. And then you have the 3 charging stations with the power cables that go with those. And out of the 3 charging bases, you do have the primary base here, which is where you have your voicemail. In the box too, you also do get a wall mount bracket that you can use if you wanted to mount your primary phone up on the wall. You also do get a set of very clear instructions on how to set up the whole phone system, but honestly, I really didn't even need it. In less than 10 minutes, I had the home phone system set up, ready to go. And what's really cool is that when you plug in the primary base, it does walk you through a series of prompts where you can easily set up your voicemail as well as your smart call block, which the smart call block is by far my favorite feature with the AT&T phone system. It is an automatic robocall blocker where you do not have to set anything up. It automatically blocks those robocalls, as well as you can set it up to screen unknown calls, which is really cool. It does kind of make the person who's calling you a little challenging because they do have to answer a question of who's calling, and then from there you decide if you want to answer or not. But with the call screening system, you can put your friends and family's phone numbers in there to where they don't get screened every time they call. And then on the other side of that spectrum, if you have a phone number that you want to block, you can block up to 1,000 phone calls with this system just by pushing a button. Another thing that's always impressed me with the AT&T phones is the call clarity and the range. So with the range of the phones, I really don't know how long the range is. All I know is that I can go outside of my house a short distance and not have a phone call dropped. And then I really do like the design of these phones. So the phones do have a big keypad here that where the numbers are backlit, so you can easily use your phone in the dark, as well as the screen in the front is nice and wide, which makes it very easy to see and read what's on the screen. So yes, I absolutely love AT&T and their home phone systems. Never once had an issue with them. They're very easy to use. There's tons of features that are really, really cool and built into the phones. So yes, if you're looking for a user-friendly phone system that has smart call block built in, I highly recommend these by AT&T. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.